Hi friends, welcome back to Simple Danny Remedies. Today I will show the recipe of spicy and delicious chicken biryani. So without any late, let's get into our video. Take 300 grams of chicken. Add some salt. Half a tablespoon of turmeric. 1.5 tablespoons of red chili powder. Give a good mix. Add half a cup of curd. Next, add handful of fresh mint leaves. 1/4 cup of finely chopped coriander. Next, add 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. Mix well such that each chicken piece is nicely coated with masala. Now let's marinate this chicken for at least 1 hour. So close the lid and keep it aside. Take pressure cooker and heat about 6 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. To this oil, add half a cup of finely chopped onions. Mix well and cook for about 3 minutes on medium-low flame. Let's add biryani spices. Let it cook for 4 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook for 3 minutes. Add 8 sliced green chilies. Add marinated chicken. Mix well and cook for 6 minutes on medium-high flame. After 6 minutes, close the lid and cook for another 7 minutes on medium-low flame. Our chicken is 70% done. Now add 1.5 cups of water. Add some salt. 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. Add a handful of fresh mint leaves, some fresh coriander, next add 1 cup of soaked basmati rice. Here I have washed and soaked this basmati rice for 20 minutes. Mix well. Close the cooker and pressure cook for 1 whistle on high flame. After one whistle, immediately switch off the flame. Pressure has gone. Let's open and see. Look at this. It smells heavenly. Our spicy and delicious chicken biryani is now ready. Now it's a serving time. Enjoy! Try this delicious biryani at your home and leave your comments and suggestions down below. For more recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.